Yo guys, so for this trick I want the spectator to shuffle the cards as much as they want. So they can truly take the deck and shuffle them up as much as they like. And when they're happy, they can deal out 5 cards. So let's imagine I'm now the spectator and I can deal out 5 cards. So just like this, face up cards. And they're gonna count to the number 13. So they're gonna count from the number on this card to the number 13, so 10, 11, 12, 13, just like that, and you just put the cards face down. Now with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, put the cards face down. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, put the cards face down. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just like that. And now only the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just like that. Now, the spectator can truly mix up the order of the piles. It doesn't really matter, just he can do everything he wants. But yeah. So once the piles are mixed, the spectator can truly choose any pile they want. So let's say they choose this one. So we're going to discard that pile. And the spectator can choose another pile to discard. So they choose this one. And it just goes to the rest. And now the spectator can choose any pile to turn the top card face up. So this card is the 6 of clubs. So we're gonna count 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just discarding this pile with the rest of the cards, just like this. And now the spectator can choose another pile to turn the top card face up. So he chooses this pile, so that's a 10. So we're gonna count off 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, and we're just discarding the piles like this. Now we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. And you can count if you want to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all the cards were shuffled at the beginning. The spectator did everything. I didn't even touch the deck. But look at the top card. It's a 9. The exact amount of cards on the table. And the spectator is fooled. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and nice you made it into the tutorial. So the secret behind this trick is really easy. Just take a deck of cards with 52 cards and just take 10 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just put them back into the box. Just like this. And now you should have 42 cards here. If you don't have 42 cards, the trick won't work, so be sure you have 42 cards. And now the spectator can take the deck and truly shuffle the cards as much as they want. They can do whatever they want. And if the spectator recognizes that it's a deck with less than 52 cards, just say it really doesn't matter. So just take the deck and do whatever you want. So yeah, the spectator can take the deck just like this and just shuffle the cards. And once the cards are shuffled, you can tell the spectator to deal 5 cards face up on the table. So we already got 2 kings. Let's do for the tutorial only 1 king, because otherwise it's a bit weird. So now the spectator has to deal the cards to the number 13. So let's begin with the number 13. Oh, that's already 13, so we can put that one face down. So let's begin with the 4. So we have to count to the number 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then put everything face down. So we begin with the number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put everything face down. 8 is a 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put everything face down. And I don't know if we're gonna make it, so let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Exactly, I don't have cards anymore, so that's pretty nice. Everything is dealt on the table. But if you have cards in your hand, it really doesn't matter. But if you are stuck and the last pile isn't to the number 13 dealt, just begin again with dealing the 5 cards, because otherwise the trick won't work. So now the spectator can choose 2 piles. So let's say the spectator chooses this one and this one. So now the spectator can choose 1 pile to take the top card and turn that face up. So let's say the spectator chooses this one, and it's a 2. So we're going to count 2 cards of this pile, and we're going to discard these piles, or discards, sorry, and put them to the side. Now the spectator can do that one more time. So let's say he chooses this one. That's 8 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna discard this cards just like this. Now I have 4 cards in my hands, and because this is a self-working card trick, here is the number 4, 2. So if here was the number 7, this would have been 7 cards. If this would have been an ace, this would have been 1 card. And yeah, that's really cool. It's a self-working card trick. So good luck. So if you liked the trick and the tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to see more magic tricks, I think you should click on this video, because that's a really cool magic trick with a tutorial. So I hope to see you there. See you later. Ciao.